I feel like these books are less of cookbook or recipe book and more of a story. Mamina's Family Favorites, and it's a play on words, actually. The children call me Mamina. They could not say Mama Alina when they were first born, so they called me Mamina, and it stuck. So then Family Favorites is in reference to the recipes that are recipes that they like and that we've used over the years, and also because they are my favorites. And so their pictures are all included in the book as well. I first started working on this, I want to say in 2019. And I was still working at the time. I retired at the end of 2020. And so I decided then that I was really going to work on it in earnest, and saw the reception that it received from my family, the kids, especially the grandchildren. Then I felt like I needed to do another one, and that would have upgraded pictures of them a little older and more favorite recipes of things that they've tried and some things they haven't tried. But lots of pictures, lots of stories. I feel like these books are less of cookbook or recipe book and more of a story, and encompassing the holidays and the special celebrations. So I've gotten into making sourdough bread and different kinds of breads, and so I made a loaf of bread and decided to feature it on the front cover, and then I had to put in a little story about her. I dedicated the book to my late grandmother, who was an excellent cook, and she died in 1999. She was almost 100. I actually thank everyone who contributed to the book, my mom and my daughter and daughters-in-law, my son. I have 81 in the second one that's going to print soon, and I had a lot of pictures. When I started to plan the book, I began taking pictures of food, and I began searching through my Facebook account, my own phone folders and files, and started to look for pictures that would be appropriate for the book going into the second book. I have a son who prefers a blueberry pie for his birthday instead of cake, so I make him one every year, and because of that now, his oldest son and his oldest daughter also want that for their birthday, so they get that too. I found a recipe in my grandmother's handwriting, and I put that into the book. My daughter-in-law's mom is the one who had given me that recipe, and it had appeared in a cookbook when her mother and aunt were alive. And so my daughter-in-law created that collage of the recipe in the cookbook, and then I had the copy of the recipe from her mom. Some of the recipes had a little story to go with them.